Yo, 39 seconds.
Let's go, let's go, let's go. I'm on top of it.
Oh.
Eggy, come on. Eggy, you're 100 meters from me. What the fuck are you doing?
Being retarded?
Eggy? Oh my god, you need a snap hook again. 17 seconds, 17. It's not like the fucking, it's not like the extract. It's not like the fucking extract. If I lose this shit, I'm gonna punch you.
Oh, I know,
I'm
I
gonna
know.
figure where the fucking, I'm gonna figure
Oh
out
my
where
god, you
go
go first.
I don't have a key.
I know, I know. You go first, you go first.
No! I fucking hate you.
Oh
You
my
were
god.
yelling at me the whole
Oh my
time
god.
and you made me lose everything that I fucking had. Egg.
At least I got these ducks.
But you look stupid as fuck saying that with your fucking eggplant filter on. Shut the fuck up. You fucking... Oh, egg? I swear to God, dude. I fucking swear to fucking God. Dude. Dude. Oh, you're lucky I don't know you IRL. I would be headed to your house right now. I would be headed to your house right now. You whip your fucking ass. Oh my god, Eggy. I swear to God, I would literally, dude, I would put you into a fucking prison. Oh my god.
What do you need?
Ready? God damn it. Holy shit, dude.
Oh yeah. He's gonna bug out again.
Dude, oh my god, I swear, if I bug again, I'm gonna actually...
He's gonna snap hook directly in front of two players,
Hey,
and he's gonna say,
last I checked,
yo, Eggy, where you at, dog?
Passives. Passives, my boy. Oh, there's a guy standing right here in the fucking open. You see him? You see him? You see him? Right in front of me. Right in front of me. Hang on, hang on.
Me too.
I see like 3 people. I see. Hang on, move right, move right. I see 3 people.
Oh, they're gonna see me. They're saying don't shoot. He's shooting.
They're all cracked. Every single one of them.
Well, those nades sucked.
Knocked one. Knocked one.
They're blasting over here too. One down. One left. One left. One left. One left.
Yep.
Oh, they're dead.
Fucking nice. Fucking nice.
Kill them before they can leave if they have a key.
Yeah, I am.
We win.
When I woke up at
Dude, this thing fucking flew into a tree and blew up.
No, I just murdered him. I murdered it.
Oh, yeah. You see the stitcher? I go on the roof? Or, not the stitcher, I'm sorry. It's the honest. Are you running again?
I got...
Stadium everywhere.
No. I just got a Venny.
Oh, literally right under me.
Oh shit, what?
Oh, to your left, to your left.
Wow. Yikes.
They're stupid.
They're like free kids, I swear. That guy had a kettle. Oh my god, he
I
had
wouldn't be surprised.
I got a key.
I've got a hatch key.
Maybe they weren't. That wasn't a free
I don't
kid. He's
think
just had terrible
I don't think
weapons.
you can hatch on this lobby.
Yes, you can.
Are you sure about that?
Let's head home at the train station hatch.
Yes.
Oh, you're one of those fucking guys.
I'm with you.
This Rocketeer's on the top. I don't want to see me.
Nice. Oh, right there. Nice.
Push him, fuck it, push him.
I'm just getting nades out. Oh, I need a shield. Oh shit.
I knocked him.
What the hell?
He was resing.
Wow.
That's why I wanted to push. I had a feeling he was going for his friend.
Did it just shoot at us?
No, I shot it. Yeah. Elevator shaft, there's a guy looking at us. He's hard angling the corner right here. I saw his arm.
Oh, up top.
Yeah.
Here,
I
watch
don't have any throwables besides these. Hang on. I got an idea.
Damn it. Invisible wall. Hell yeah.
I want to blow that thing up. I'm getting sick of it flying over me.
Yeah, it's already hurt.
Yeah, does it have any extra medium you didn't take, by chance?
I got a medium. I can take him out.
Yeah, you should do that. I'll watch your back.
Oh, shit.
He's dead.
He's dead. He's stupid.
Yeah, I killed the guy that was shooting at you.
I did that. That's me. Yeah, I just saw him peek. I was like, oh, film. That's what you get.
I
you
killed the
got it?
Rocketeer.
Nice.
Careful, we probably attracted a lot of attention. Oh, yes, he had it. Oh, and he had heavy fuse grenades. Oh my god, thank you.
Nice.
2 heavy fuses. Let's see if I can hit this with perfect aid. Oh, I cracked one.
I'm coming.
10 in a second. Oh, I knocked one. I knocked two.
Oh my god, dude. These guys are bots.
One on the outside. Knocked. He gave up. Thank you.
Someone just dropped or something. Nothing. Oh, there was another one? We're in trios, huh? Where's the third guy?
Three. You'd trust me, it was a waste of time. It was not even worth looking at. He's in this back room.
Yeah, I found him.
He was trying to res the guy I was knocking, and he crawled right here.
Oh.
Raider, looks knocked out. Over here.
Okay, now let's go collect some bugs.
Yeah.
I don't hear any art going out. I don't hear nothing. I think we're in a safe lobby
Now we can get the ducks.
I think we're in a safe lobby, sir. I think we did all the. I think we got rid of all the evil.
I don't know, man. See?
That was an arc.
Arc or evil. He's doing a tech, he's doing
Oh
a
no,
tech.
oh my god,
He's doing a tech bad. I did it. I did the whole thing.
Good job.
I did the whole tech.
Good job, son.
Thank you, Daddy.
You learned something new every day, son.
Let's see if you can do it. Nope.
Oh my god.
You can't do it. Oh, Rocketeer looking at
I think
me.
he just aggro you.
Yep. A little bit. I guess no. Oh my god, it sees me. Are you kidding me? I'm bringing him to you! Run away! Oh, he's shooting me. Okay. Doing a little
There's
high.
no fucking way.
I hate these things so
Shoot
much.
it.
You got
It's
him?
done.
Nice.
Yeah,
You gonna die over
I
there?
do, but maybe.
You need me
I
to come
dude,
over
I
there?
swear to God, I have 6 pops on me, 3
Dude,
wasps,
how?
2 hornets, 2 snitches.
How'd you get in this situation?
Dude, you know me.
You know
I'm the
me.
luckiest fucking player in the game.
I mean, that sounds pretty lucky to me. What sniped you?
The arc.
I see you fighting your war over there. My balls is hot. I gotta give him a tug.
Dude, I'm actually gonna lose my fucking mind right now. I swear to God, I've been fighting arc nonstop since I.
Heal up, dude.
Yeah, what do you think I'm trying to do, Eggy? I appreciate
Ooh, I got
you
another
also
purple. I got
fucking
another
the-
familiar
like,
duck.
Wow, sir. Genius. Genius.
Dude, hurry up and get
Jesus.
some
Dude,
ducks, bro.
Oh my fucking
Hurry up and
God,
find
I
some
just went
ducks,
over
bro.
these fucking chimneys and it called it more fucking arc.
Dude, loot some of these ducks, bro. You're missing out on all this oop.
How would you loot the fuck up?
I'm looting. What do you mean, dog? Oh, I got the alien duck.
I'm actually
Suck it.
I literally spent the last, I don't know, 3 minutes fucking fighting.
You can suck it.
My fucking asshole. Are you gonna collect these? Actually, looks like.
I'm gonna collect them.
Yeah, but usually it's just collect these. I like ducks.
I like duck. I like duck.
Yeah, because ducks actually get shown inside.
They're gonna
because they're rated
Yeah,
bad.
I'll show them
I know
off,
what they
dude.
do.
Well, I'm gonna sell the bad ones, but I'm gonna keep like the alien duck and the purples.
Oh my God, how far are we from a fucking extra?
Uh,
I guess we is the wrong question. How far?
I got that one.
Location.
Dude, come on. Let me get another duck at least. Holy shit, I got 3 ducks, man. You
I got an
get
extract
50.
key. Hey, you ain't got no
All
duck?
raiders, arc on screen. 5 minutes
There's
left.
3,
Go
dude.
find your way home. I
I
repeat,
have
5
to load into
minutes.
another one. This pisses me off.
I know, dude. Why weren't you looting?
I don't know. I didn't even think about that, to be honest. I thought it was more
Alright.
fun just to run through a building. I thought we were playing run through building raiders.
Me too.
Or loot
Fuck,
every
these
shit
are
that you
raided.
lose, raiders.
It's not even what I'm doing, sir.
That's how you loot some that he.
I don't know where he looted. I've
Hell
been fighting the
yeah.
whole time while he's been playing with his dick.
Hell yeah. You were fighting where I looted,
He
dude.
is getting ducks, sir.
Ooh, I found
He's getting the real.
Oh my God.
You fighting again, dude? Why you fighting? Just loot, dude.
Yes, my choice. That's what.
It's just late, dude. Yeah, we're good.
There's a rocketeer by me. There's more arc flying by me. I have 3 fucking rounds in my gun.
Oh, why'd you do that?
Eggy, if you ask me another stupid fucking question, I swear to God, dude. Like, common sense, Eggy.
Well, I'm like the king of them, dude. What do you mean?
No, why don't you shoot fucking shit for a minute? Let me find some damn
I
gun.
did. Look at that. I killed it right away. I preserved my ammo.
God damn it.
I conserved my ammo.
Oh, conserve your ammo. Conserve your ammo.
I knew how to aim. You know. I know.
You weren't displaying that
I
when
know
you
it
were
comes
fighting?
hard. I killed them.
Who was then?
All the people. All those
Where's our
people,
closest
dude.
extract? We got 2 minutes. No, get away from me. Do not loot any of this shit by me. No, no,
I'm
no,
going
no, no,
here.
no, seriously. Get
We
the
gotta
fuck
go,
away
we
from
gotta
me. Let
go.
me find some fucking ducks, damn it.
Nah.
How far is it? 182
It's pretty
meters?
far away.
Eggy,
We
get
gotta
off
go.
my fucking chimneys. Get off my chimneys.
We gotta go, bro.
Dude, it's 180 meters away in 2 minutes. Oh, please let me get something from this. Come on.
Start snap looking around, dude.
Last warning. 2 minutes left. Head back immediately. The window is closing.
I'm getting the loot. You better hurry up, dude. We don't have time.
Let me get something.
We don't have time. We gotta get out of here. You gotta run, dude. You gotta run.
Hey, I'm 80 meters away. I'll run in a minute.
You gotta
Fucking
run.
try to-
I don't feel safe, but
Ooh, familiar duck.
Delicious.
Wow, look at egg.
Oh, delicious.
You're the luckiest eggplant I've ever met.
Oh, another tropical duck.
I've met a lot of eggplants, to be honest.
Even a lot of them.
Ooh, Exodus modules.
Yo, 39 seconds.
Let's go, let's go, let's go. I'm on top of it.
Oh.
Eggy, come on. Eggy, you're 100 meters from me. What the fuck are you doing?
Being retarded?
Eggy? Oh my god, you need a snap hook again. 17 seconds, 17. It's not like the fucking, it's not like the extract. It's not like the fucking extract. If I lose this shit, I'm gonna punch you.
Oh, I know,
I'm
I
gonna
know.
figure where the fucking, I'm gonna figure
Oh my
where
god, you go first.
I don't have a key.
I know, I know. You go first, you go first.
No! I fucking hate you.
Oh
You
my
were
god.
yelling at me the whole
Oh my
time
god.
and you made me lose everything that I fucking had. I lost my snap hook because you.
I did too. I thought it was the one that we were near when we killed all those people. I thought it was the one we were at. We were when we killed those people. I don't play that map. Damn it. Well, did you have the ducks in your butt?
You fucking kidding me right now? I lost a fucking, pretty much a full fucking 130, and I lost a fully fucking kitted fucking Toro 4, a fully fucking kitted Ben 4, 2 fucking blue shields, and a fuckload of shit that I needed. Oh, you thoroughly fucking thoroughly fucking piss me the fuck off sometimes, dude.
This guy's good.
goodness.
Oh my god, dude, I swear to god, my
Yo.
fucking 11-month-old could have been waiting on the hatch fucking better than you.
Holy
I
shit,
saw he
dude.
was still looting with 4 minutes left.
I thought it was a different one.
Extract.
You, sir, are a
I don't know that map, dude.
asshole.
Dude, I need. You gotta give me a map. I gotta read the map.
Oh my fucking god, I seriously cannot fucking believe you right now. Like, hey, you have no clue the kind of disappointment I have right now. You have
Oh my
no fucking clue the kind of fucking disappointment I have right now. Like, you genuinely do not understand how fucking disappointed I am.
Holy shit. I can't believe it.
I can. I said, come on, come to the extract. And you say, I'm playing with my penis.
I said, wait, it's over there?
He said, I'm playing with my penar. Give me 1 second.
I looked at the map, I'm like, wait a minute, where am I going?
This fucking guy, dude. He's a fucking... Oh, dude, there's something I want to say.
Quick, put us in
I'm a
timeout.
little special, dude.
Oh, dude, I could
I'm a little special.
wrap my dick around your neck, tie it in a knot. I'm bringing my own hatch. Fuck you. I'm bringing my own hatch key this time. Fuck you. You're getting left behind by your fucking self. You hear me? You
Dude,
greedy
you would have
son of a
made
bitch.
it. You would have made it.
You greedy son of a bitch.
I would have clipped it, but a
Egg.
clip topics for disappointment.
Egg.
God.
I wish you could. Oh, egg. Oh. Egg.
At least I got these ducks.
But you look stupid as fuck saying that with your fucking eggplant filter on. Shut the fuck up. You fucking. Oh, egg? I swear to God, dude. I fucking swear to fucking God. Dude. Oh. You're lucky I don't know you IRL. I would be headed to your house right now. I would be headed to your house right now. You lick your fucking ass. Oh my god, Eggy. I swear to God, I would literally, dude, I would put you into a fucking prison. Oh my god.
What do you need?
Ready? God damn it. Holy shit, dude. I just look at the bot. I'm fucking fuming.
Dude, you're gonna love that VOD.
Bye.
That VOD's going up.
Music, this